is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Unfortunately, today is the last day here. Yeah, it's time to go back to Nairobi. Stayed in a nice place. It's such a nice place, and I would actually recommend you guys to stay here. It's the Desert Rose Hotel in Voi. If you ever find yourself in Voi, this is the best place to relax and sleep. So yeah, guys, let's be on our way. Let's go to Nairobi. We'll be using the SGR first class. Let's go, guys. So this is Desert Rose Hotel. Yeah, guys, time to leave, man. It's time to leave. See you guys at the train station. The Voice SGR station, you have to walk all the way from there, all the way to the station. The Taita Hills, that's Voi, and this is the Voi SGR station. Yo guys, welcome to Voi station. Check out, man, we have more whites than blacks around here. Anyway, I'm not being racist, but it seems like the Voi station is really busy since you have a lot of people. Yeah, so let's go to Nairobi. Coach 3. Coach 3. 25. Niende ya chama. Wewe niende ukandinga huko. China wetu baby. First class to akaranyuma 1 3 leo hadi ndonera ndio hiyo kete na anto wapi the river.
Come haendi. Come leo haendi.
Karibu Nairobi. Karibu Nairobi. 2:18 p.m. Guys, I'm finally home, man. Finally home. Yeah. Let's go enjoy the weekend, man. See you in the next one. Big up.